Hello, very good morning. It's Virendra. I'm going to discuss today about dreams and destiny. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. The broadcast what I'm making today is from East City, a place housed in Bibinagar in the Nalgonda district. It has been created by Colonel Rangarao and it is called the Chandigarh of South. It's a beautiful place. It is yet to be developed. It's a beautiful place. Now we will discuss something about dreams. I will make several statements which is universal by some great people. I am not going to call their names because it will be wastage of time. What is more important here is the statement which can inspire us, motivate us and educate us. The universal quotes are from the most successful people of the universe. I start with, follow your dreams. I have spread my dreams beneath your feet. Tread softly because you tread on my dreams. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars, to change the world. Reach high, for stars lie hidden in your soul. Dream deep, for every dream precedes the goal. All men dream but not equally. Those who dream by night in the dusty recesses of their minds wake up in the day to find that it was vanity. But the dreamers of the day are dangerous men, for they may act their dream with open eyes to make it possible. Our twist life when we are in the dreams awake. So oftentimes it happens that we live our lives in chains and we never even know we have the key. Dear friends, this is a beautiful nature and I am just taking some videograph of it. As it is morning, it may not be very clear, but definitely the woods are dark even in that early morning because it is something like forest. We continue. The end of wisdom is to dream high enough not to lose the dream in the seeking of it. I like the dreams of the future better than the history of the past. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. You cannot dream yourself into a character. You must hammer and forge yourself into it. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Commitment leads to action. Action brings your dream closer. Dreams are the touchstones of our character. The best way to wake up your dreams come true is to wake up. A skillful man reads his dreams for self-knowledge, yet know the details but the quality. Our waking hours form the text of our lives, our dreams the commentary. Hope is the dream of the waking man to unpathed waters, undreamed shores. Dear friends, every great man has his dreams, and we remember the famous quote, I have a dream, I have a dream to see that the blank check which was issued by Abraham Lincoln to the Americans, that will be valid. It should not bounce. All the black and white will have equal rights, not only fighting in the front of the wars, but also in the civilian life. All black and white will sit together, they will read together, they will stay together, and they will share of the future of the Americans. Today the dream of the great man, Martin Luther King, is achieved. President Obama is leading America. He is the first citizen of the world. So every dreamer will definitely be achieving his dreams, maybe sooner or later. My dear friends, learn to dream big, dare much, and do it, achieve it, accomplish it. Nothing is impossible. It is a state of mind. It starts with your will, how much energy you have got, how much thought you have got. The life has immense potential. It can give you, it can reward you, whatever you expect from it. It is an employer. It has all the capability to pay you whatever you want. But you must be ready to accept what you want. Clarity of objectives. The distinction of your purpose. You should have a dream and big dream. Plan everything systematically. Define the process. Set your objectives. And keep on doing and trying. Once you try very big, there are different steps. And we call these defeats and failures. Never dampen your spirit by failures and defeats. They are the stepping stones of success. A man who cannot fail, he cannot succeed, because it needs lot of courage. It needs lot of failures, and every failure is a learning lessons. Learn a lot when you fail. It is a stepping stones, and once you start succeeding, nothing succeeds like success. It is the preparation mode. You are preparing by failing. You are preparing by getting defeats. But you are never defeated unless you quit or give up. Be ready to fail. Be ready to accept defeats, because defeats has a hidden success. Success is failure turned inside out. It is always there. Once you have failed, you have all the chance to succeed. Good luck. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramaya. Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Jai Hind.